Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. We're on a Cincinnati Centerless grinder for you here today. This machine's wired on 460 volt 3-phase. It's a nice machine. Set it up here and run it. Set it up and let the oil pressure build up for 2 seconds. And hit the start button again. The regulating wheel will turn on. Good hydraulic training on the wheels. This one's engaged right now, it's moving out. Shift it to go back in. And go back in now. It's got high and low range and regulating wheel here. It's in low range right now. And it's variable speed. This is a variable speed handle. It's got a speed indicator here. Shift it in high. You can only shift it while the speed's turned all the way down. It's got an interlock in there. It's all the way down, then you can shift it. And now it's in high range. It's got the plunge handle on it here. And it's just in and out. Insert the main wheel here. Nice quiet spindle on it. It's a low R machine. Train on the wheel here. Good running machine. You have any questions, give us a call.